Eto guys, panoorin natin 'to. Joel Chua, hindi na alam na kasali pala si ano, ang yung SunWest sa 15 contractors. Ano ba 'yan? At hindi niya alam na si Zaldeco ay part owner or mismong owner ng SunWest. Eh, kahit siguro mga tao na normal na tao alam 'yan, eh. Ikaw pa kaya? Naku, wala na talagang plano guys yung House of Representatives na imbitahan si Zaldeco sa hearing na yan nila. Naku, ewan ko na lang, eto panoorin niyo.
At least klaro po yan. So, going back to my question, sir, there needs to be some sort of, we have to be clear about
Yes.
projects that are being implemented
Tama po
and
kayo.
who actually takes responsibility for them.
Yes.
Because it's easy for us to say, Congressman ka ng 3rd District, hindi mo alam.
Tama.
Mayor ka ng
Yes.
Manila, hindi, Governor ka ng Bulacan, hindi mo alam.
Yes,
Parang mga
tama.
ganun po eh. Is it clear to you who actually is supposed to monitor or have oversight functions over this, sir?
The one who should be monitoring yung implementing agency. Because ang trabaho ng congressman is mag-allocate ng budget, mag-approve ng budget. Diba? So, like for example,
Remember
in my
that.
case, tatanungin mo ako, kung itong project na to is substandard. Hindi ko masasabi sa'yo kung substandard. Dahil hindi naman ako engineer eh. I do not know kung ano yung kapal dapat ng bakal
But
niyan.
you can try to find out, can
Yes.
you? Because
Tama
that's
ka.
exactly what
Oh, but you can try to find out, can you? Binara si Joel Chua ni Pinky Web. Oh, di ba? Kasi wala daw siyang pakialam dyan. Kasi wala daw siyang alam dyan. Hindi daw siya engineer. Tingnan mo. Pero simple. Simple as kapal ng bakal. Alam mo yan, tol. Malalaman mo yan. Pero guys, eto. Binara siya ni Pinky Web, oh. Oh, tingnan pa. Panoorin natin ulit,
Hindi ko masasabi sa'yo kung substandard. Dahil hindi naman ako engineer eh.
Ah.
I do not know kung ano yung kapal dapat ng bakal
But you
niyan.
can try to find out, can
Yes.
you? Because
Tama
that's
ka.
exactly what Congressman Leviste did.
Yes.
Ang ginawa po niya, kakaupo lang po niya, nagrenta ata siya ng mga truck, may chinek siya na lugar somewhere in his district in Batangas, chinek po niya yung sheet piles. Ang nakita po niyang sheet piles ay 5 meters, pero chinek po niya yung binayaran doon sa contractor na yon at lumabas. Ang binayaran is supposed to be 15 meters, pero ang ginamit po na sheet pile is 5
Is 5
meters.
meters.
He did it. I mean, that's probably something you guys can do as well,
Yes,
right?
tama naman.
Correct! Yes, tama naman. Pero hindi niya ginagawa kasi hindi daw niya trabaho yun. Oh. Tingnan nyo, Maynila, 3rd District ng Maynila, yung congressman nyo. Oh, di ba?
Tama naman din yung ginawa niya. But looking back, but sinasabi ko kasi kung ano yung trabaho talaga ng mga congressman, di ba? So, siyempre, hindi naman natin po pwedeng i-pare-parehas dahil minsan may mga axe to grind din yung iba eh. So, why are they doing that? Diba? So,
But don't you want to do it for your people?
yeah, of course,
For
we
your
will do that dahil
constituents,
kasi nga, because of what,
But won't you do it for your people? Chua, nakakahiya. Binara na naman siya ni Pinky Web. But don't you wanna do it for your people? Di ba? Oh.
why are they doing that? Diba? So,
But don't you want to do it for your people?
yeah, of course,
For
we
your
will do that dahil
constituents,
kasi nga, because of what happened. Kasi siyempre, ngayon, nalaman na natin, may ganyan pala mga istorya. Ang nagiging problema ngayon, ako, ang tingin ko kasi, the program itself, yung flood control, wala namang problema. Ang problema, pagka ginos mo, or nag-substandard ka,
Or,
Diba?
kontratista yung kapamilya mo.
kontratista
True!
yung pamilya mo, or
Okay.
ikaw mismo. Diba? So, yun ang
Yes.
problema. So, kaya nga dapat, lahat din yan. Bukas, malalaman natin lahat kung matitingnan natin kung ano yung mga dapat nating itanong.
Oh, pero hindi pinatawag si Zaldico. May-ari ng SunWest, one of the 15 contractors. Oh, di ba?
Si Mayor Benji, Benji po, Magalong, ipapatawag niyo na ho ba? Pinadala niyo na ho ba siya ng imbitasyon?
Hindi
Ang
rin.
alam ko bukas, because I think we have a short period of time. Until 2 o'clock lang yata kami bukas dahil meron pa kaming session.
Session.
No?
Ah.
So, ang mga pinadala ni lahat ng mga kontratista, yung top 15, and then of course, yung mga RD, at yung mga controversial na DE.
Top 15 contractors.
Yes.
What happens, sir? Kasi nagkaroon po today, second day ng hearing. How different will your hearing be compared to, sabihin po natin doon sa Senado ngayong araw?
Well, alam mo, Pinky, kasi ang tingin lahat ng mga tao pagka-investigation is, it's all about it's all about the kung sino yung may kasalanan, yung mga crimes, diba? So lahat naman yan i-consider natin, diba? But we have to remember that this is investigation in aid of legislation. Kaya, syempre, tinitignan din natin, hindi lang yung mga pagkukulang, ano rin yung mga remedyo na dapat nating gawin.
Kailangan ho ba bang pag-usapan yung panukala ni Senate President Chis Escudero na dapat wala ng kapamilya na sumasali sa mga kontrata ng gobyerno until the 4th degree?
Tama.
Would that be something that could be in aid of legislation?
I think there is a law
Hmm.
na talaga namang bawal, if I'm not mistaken. At saka siyempre para maiwasan na rin yung mga duda ng mga
Oo.
kababayan natin na nakikialam ka, kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyan.
Pero dami nilang congressman na contractor. Naku, talaga 'to si Chua.
Are you going to call Congressman Zaldico?
I don't know if he's invited, if he's one of the invitees. So kasi nakapokus kami doon sa 15 contractors.
Isn't SunWest part of the 15, sir?
I'm not sure.
It is, sir.
If it is
Hindi niya alam. I'm not sure, sabi ni Pinky Web. It is, sir. Naku, talaga 'to si Chua.
part, then he is invited kung sino man yung may-ari ng SunWest.
All right. So what time is the hearing tomorrow?
9 o'clock in the morning.
9 in the morning. And then, of course, we're going to monitor what happens there tomorrow. Congressman, thank you so much for your time. And
Grabe 'no, nakita niyo 'yun? At talagang napasagot na lang siya kasi wala na, eh. Sinabi na ni ano, eh, ni Pinky Web, eh, na, "It is, sir." 'Di ba? Nagmamaang-maangan pa at talagang ipapatawag daw kung sino yung may-ari ng SunWest. Si Zaldico nga! Naku, pumangmaangan pa 'to siya. Grabe talaga 'tong mga congressman, guys. Ewan ko na lang. Ano masasabi niyo? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.